What's going on, guys? Today we're talking about 8 digital products that you could make and sell online to make at least $100 a day. If you're ready to make that money, let's dive in. So one of the best things about creating digital products is that you only have to make it once and then you can upload and sell it online. It is just that easy. So once you upload that digital product, you can start making passive income. And passive income is making money while you sleep. So the first digital product that you can create and sell online would be a branding kit for businesses and creators. Now, branding kits sell anywhere from $20 to hundreds of dollars. So if you're creating a branding kit with an option for a custom logo, you could be charging anywhere from $145 and beyond. So a typical branding kit would have multiple different types of templates. So for example, there could be templates for Pinterest posts, or templates for Instagram and Facebook stories. Branding kits can also come with templates for YouTube thumbnails or templates for YouTube banners. And then all the templates that come in the branding kit should have a theme color. And another thing that's usually offered in a branding kit is a logo. So you could have a generic logo that people can just insert their name into, or like I said before, you could offer a custom logo and then you could increase the price from there. One of the best places that you could sell a branding kit would be on Etsy. And Etsy is really simple to learn. So basically with Etsy, you create your storefront and then you add all of your digital products to that store. So you could either just upload your products and sell them and just let the sales come in from there, or you could purchase ad placements on Etsy to get your product seen by more people. And that would ultimately generate more sales. And once again, the best place to sell these is going to be on Etsy. So the next digital product that you could make would be a media kit for influencers. And media kits usually are sold for $20 or more. So a media kit is going to be a template that influencers can use when they are dealing with brands. So the average media kit is going to include sections like an About Me section, a Rates section, an Audience Demographics section, a Previous Collaboration section, and then a Contact Me section. It could have more than that. That's just giving you an idea of what would generally come in a media kit. But you can create these media kits in Canva, which makes it really simple to do. So you would create your media kit in Canva and then download it as a PDF and then upload it in Etsy. And these have become pretty popular because, let's just face it, just about everybody's an influencer these days, but not everyone knows or even wants to create their own media kit. So you can start creating these and selling them on Etsy for cash. So the next idea for selling a digital product would be selling stock photos or stock videos. You can sell stock videos or photos on so many different sites, but one example would be going through Canva. You could become a contributor and upload your photos and videos, and anytime someone would use those photos or videos, you would get paid. The other day I was reading this interesting article on Canva. This guy was getting paid over $700 per photo that he uploaded on Canva. So really the opportunities are endless because these days there's so many businesses or even creators that need stock photos or videos in projects that they're creating. And so if those are skills that you have in photography or videography, then I would say put those to use and get paid. Another digital product that you could sell online would be Lightroom presets. And so these usually go for $10 or more. But if you're actually selling larger bundles, you could increase that price a lot higher. The Lightroom presets have become very popular in the last few years, whether it's influencers using them or if it's businesses. A lot of people don't want to have to edit their own pictures and they just want something super easy to throw on there. And so you could be making a lot of money if you know how to create those presets. And when you really think about it, you can create so many different vibes vibes with a preset. So really you could be continually selling new presets all the time. And you wouldn't only have to sell those on Etsy. You could have your own website of just selling presets yourself. So it's really up to you where you'd want to sell those. So the next digital product that you could sell would be printables on Etsy. Now this is huge, and there's so many different things that you can create a printable for. So you could create checklists, cards, invites, worksheets, fitness trackers, sewing patterns, or wall art, or budget trackers, or stickers. The list goes on and on. Usually these sell for around $10 or more, just depending on how much you're offering with that printable. Because on Etsy, bundles are huge, so if you can create a bundle of printables, that would be to your advantage. So the next digital product that you could sell online would be creating templates. So you can create templates in Canva and sell them on Etsy. And with templates, there's so many different options that you could be making. So for example, you can make business card templates, restaurant menu templates, or invoice templates, planner templates, or label templates, or this one's a big one, wedding templates. So whether it's name card templates or invite templates or table card templates. So you could create a wedding bundle with all those things included. And I've seen wedding template bundles go for $60 or more. So like I said, there are endless opportunities with creating templates. And templates are so easy to make. You just make one and then you can sell thousands. So the next digital product that you create and sell would be creating and selling a workbook. Now you can create a workbook on anything. So if there's something that you can teach someone, you can create a workbook and sell it online. And of course, you can sell this on Etsy as well. So if you think about it, let's say you've got a great exercise plan or diet plan or healthy eating tips. You could create a workbook for that. Maybe you want to teach someone how to speak another language. You could create a workbook for that. Or you could create a workbook for learning skills or for self-improvement. But there's just so many things you could create a workbook for that people are willing to purchase. So that's definitely something that I feel like a lot of people can do. So workbooks usually sell between $20 and $30 and beyond, just depending on how big the workbook is. And sometimes with workbooks, you can also create those into a bundle as well, and then you can increase your price. So selling workbooks online is a great idea. So the next digital product that you can sell online, which you might be surprised about, is fonts. So you can sell different types of fonts online, specifically on Etsy. So if you're able to create different types of fonts, you can upload those and sell them on Etsy. And this is another one where if you can create a font bundle, you can make more money. Usually for a good font package, they sell for around $15 or more. So if you've got those skills to create different fonts, give that a try. So those are the 8 digital products that you can sell online and make at least $100 a day or more. Start generating that passive income with your digital products. You're gonna be able to make money while you're not even thinking about it. So if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and until next time, I'll see you later.